Hi, I'm Richard Carlton. Welcome to the Coach's Corner. Hey, Richard Carlton here. It's welcome to another Coach's Corner, where we talk about great tips for people who are building FileMaker applications, whether you're a developer or you're an in-house developer and you're learning. Sometimes you need really great tools to help you understand what's going on inside your FileMaker app. Or you maybe inherit an app from someone else and you need to understand what's going on in that app.
Yep.
So this is the tool that we use, that my team uses. I pay full price for, and it's awesome. And why do I do that? Because the tool works great. And Nick Orr, nice to meet you. He's from Australia, right?
Yeah, Melbourne, Australia.
And he flew out for the developer conference every year. He's a big FileMaker supporter, and he makes the best diagnostic tools for the platform. So, Nick, what version are we at, and what are you doing?
So BaseElements 18's new version recently released. So one of the cool things, it's, as Rick described, it's an analysis tool for your FileMaker solution, and so it tells you what's in your solution. I describe it as being like walking into a multi-story building and being able to figure out all the wiring behind the walls without having to pull the walls apart. You know, you can say this plug goes from this point to that point without even damaging it.
So it's like X-ray vision for FileMaker. So you can see through all the layouts and all the everything, and you can see how they all. What's really cool, the thing I use it for personally is that I have a layout, and I don't know if the layout's being used, and I want to maybe clean it up or get rid of it. I can look at a layout and see what other buttons might call it or what scripts call it, and so if I delete it, I know that I won't blow anything up. Like if I see a layout and a lot of things are using it, I know people are using it. But if it's like a layout or an object just seems kind of abandoned and nothing's it tells you what the references are. I mean, it does a ton of things. It tells you where the errors and scripts, and it does a lot of stuff. But I use it to find out what is connected to the object I'm looking at to see if it's important, because it's like 2 in the morning, I'm writing something, I don't comment it the way I should, I forget, I come back 6 or 12 months later, I'm like, holy crap. So this is Superman X-ray vision for FileMaker files, which is really so you're a superhero.
Thanks. Yeah,
that's sweet.
Look, and the best thing is it's built as a FileMaker file itself. So the audience for it are people who are doing FileMaker development, but it's a FileMaker file, so you know how to use it already. You know how to put in finds. You just, if you're looking for some particular bit of information, just do a find. It's in there, and you can dig deep and get exactly what you need to.
So this is the latest version of your superhero product, and so what is new and what's awesome about it?
Well, there's one really cool feature that I like to talk about, and that's our theme builder report. Lots of FileMaker solutions existed before we had access to our nice CSS that we can use today. Or even if you've built it recently, you might not have used the styles to make your styling a lot easier. So what Theme Builder does is that looks at your old solution or your unstyled one and generates a theme for you, consolidates all the styles that you've used across the whole solution, and you can just literally go copy in BaseElements and paste, and now you've got a theme.
Now in my training, we spend time on the concept of custom themes and shared styles, and if you do that properly, it'll lighten the size of your FileMaker file and makes it run faster. So if I did this, it would lower the amount of code on the layout, and it would run faster.
So you can apply the theme by copying objects, go over to BaseElements, say style my clipboard. So on the clipboard you've got all the XML and all the CSS and all that, and it goes and replaces all that custom CSS with a style name. When you paste it back, now every object has a style. Wow.
I just bought the new version, because we needed a new version, and I'm on an annual subscription now, and I'm really glad I did, because I'm going to use that. Well, my team will use it for sure. I'll use it probably some. I don't get to use it as much as I'd like to, but that's what happens when you have a lot of awesome developers that work for you. They need great tools. You need to make great applications. You need to make them run fast, and that's a feature that helps them run faster. So it's Nick. Now, where do they buy this? How do they find your website?
Go online, baseelements.com. Download there. There's a free trial. You can try it out 30 days, completely unrestricted. At the moment, we're doing a discount. Use the coupon code DEVCON2019.
How long will that work?
Until the end of August.
if you miss the deadline, you can always call and whine to him, and he probably would let it go. But but you're going to need to make that effort. So it's 20. You said 20% off.
20% off. We have perpetual and annual. If you use the coupon code for the annual license, you get 20% off your first purchase and your first renewal.
Which means 20% off next year too.
Yeah.
All right. Very cool. All right, everyone, welcome to DevCon, or see you next year at DevCon, I guess, by the time you watch the video. And thank you, Nick, for making great products for the platform. Thank you.